Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to play Instagram Reels in 3 times speed. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The first step is to update Instagram mobile app on our cell phones. After doing so, let's go to the home page and try to publish a new reel. If you try to publish a new reel, you have the option to slow it down or speed it up on the left side of the screen by clicking on the 1x icon. This will of course change the speed of your reel. If you wish to change the speed of a personal reel to 3 times speed, this is how you do it. However, if we go back and go into the public reels, you will see that there is no sidebar that allows us to change the speed of the reel. This is only possible through reels you publish yourself. I hope I was able to help you clear up any questions you had surrounding how to play Instagram Reels on 3 times speed. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.